Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Darlene, and today's video we're gonna be reviewing yesterday's trade. I really wanted to go over this trade with you guys because I just found this very interesting. Um, I'm sorry. And today we're gonna be sipping some wine. I love wine. Anybody that knows me knows how much I love wine. With my Christmas tea. Yeah. So we're gonna be sipping wine and reviewing some charts. Okay, I think I'm talking super low. Let me know if the audio quality of this video is not right. But I really wanted to go over this trade with you guys because I just found it very interesting what price did yesterday. So it was a winning trade for me. However, um, it was a lesson because basically it told me you gotta trust your plan and you gotta trust your process. So let me just show you guys. So you already know the yellow, it's my 4 hour order block. I normally start there on the longer time frames. So as you can see, this is where I got my order block from. It's the last up candle before the big move down, and this order block was never touched. This is yesterday's transaction. Now it has never this one over here has never been touched, but then I had also another 4 hour order block. I feel like I'm scrambling. Maybe I shouldn't be drinking wine, but hey, Saturday night, and I don't know. I just rather I rather do this Saturday night than going out. Yeah, just need to learn the charts. Anyhow, all right. Okay, so I got this 4 hour order block. This was the big up candle before the big move down. This candle was crazy. This candle happened all in 1 minute, and I'm gonna show you guys. So yesterday was Friday. I normally trade only Monday to Friday. There's certain days during the week that I don't do anything, and that's because I might be feeling, my emotions are not there, whatever it is, or I might be feeling negative, which it happens and it's normal. Not like I don't consider myself a positive person all the time, so it's okay if it happens. Um, so I was watching the charts since 8 a.m. in the morning. I took two trades and I was expecting it to go to the upside because of this. And I'm going to show you those trades right now. I want to be, like I say, the purpose of this channel is for me to be as transparent as I can with you guys. And if you guys have any questions, please let me know. So these two, I always I'm trying to I'm trying to have my trades ideas documented so that way I can refer back and I know like what I'm referring back to. So, okay, so this is one. This one is one. Let's look at it. As you can see, this was a losing. This is where the big down movement happened. I had my chart on my change of character on the 1 minute. Then it breaks structure. Sorry, I had my order block on the 1 minute. Then it breaks structure. Then my change of character. I was expecting it to go to the upside because there's a 4 hour order block that has not been mitigated yet. However, I don't know what happened in this minute at 8:30. I don't know, like I have no idea what happened. That price just plunged and it exited me out, and this was a losing trade. I think I lost probably $26 or so. Yeah, I lost like $26 here. Um, on my second loss, this one right here, I also lost, as you can see. I think I lost like $15 or so, so I'm not sure. Anyhow, I I tell myself I'm only doing 3 trades during the day, like every day. If for whatever reason those 3 trades I'm in a negative, I just exit out and that's it. Call my life a day. I don't force things. I try not to force anything. So on this one right here, I was still watching it. I noticed this. So I know this right here needs to be mitigated because it happens so quickly, and I know there's a lot of price in this area, a lot of orders that it was never filled. So I know price needs to come back there. So I was just watching it. I have my trade idea right here. Okay, right here. I was watching it. You know, I have my, so again, the order block, it's the last down candle before the big movement. But when there's a big wick like this one, to me, it means that there's a lot of selling pressure here. And there's a lot of orders also that was not filled. So I also take in considerations those wicks. So I use my wick. I know this big movement needs to be mitigated somehow, someday. So I was like, you know what? Let me plot. I got my break of structure right here. It retested my order block, and then it went back up for my change of structure. It broke my break of structure. It retested the order block, but then it break my break of structure. So I know that price needs to come back to this area before I even consider it for a sell. However, because I already had 2 losses, I was basically like debating whether I should enter the trade or maybe I shouldn't. So I wasn't sure about entering this trade. So basically, I didn't enter it right here. I should have, because that's how my plan is set up. Once it retests my change of character line, then I need to go ahead and enter. But I didn't. So I didn't enter here. Okay, so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna wait for a pullback halfway from this line and my change of character in order for me to enter again. I need to see price mitigating whatever orders was left here. So it did so. However, my, like I mentioned here, my original profit target was the 4 hour order block. Like I say here, original target was the 4 hour order block. However, my emotions were taking over and I exit as soon as I got what I lost plus some more. And then I said here, trade was risky because it was a re-entry from my original setup. So don't do that, follow your plans. I like to make these notes so that way, I can come back with you guys and review, and that way, like, it register. So again, my original target price was up here. However, I exited on this line, and the reason why I exited on this line was because this was a resistance line. So as you can see, it tried breaking it and it couldn't, and then it finally broke that resistance line. So that's the reason why I exited here. However, if we look back in the chart, look what price did. So basically, that's just a confirmation that I gotta trust myself. I got to trust my process. I got to trust my plan because it basically did everything that I was expecting it to do, as you guys can see. I just gotta trust myself more. And yes, again, this is a $500 account. Yesterday, I didn't make much. I only made, and again, I'm being transparent with you guys. I only made like $18 because I lost like 40 bucks, and then I made it back with this transaction plus the $18. So I'm happy for that. Like I'm super happy. Like I'm not expecting it to reach to the moon anymore. That was my mentality when I was trading options. I was like, you know what? Yeah, maybe I'm gonna have one of those days where I'm making $2,000, $3,000, whatever, with a small account. Like it's possible, but when you have that mentality, you just it's easier for you to burn your money basically, and that's what happened to me several times. Um, but this just come to prove to me that I gotta trust my process. I gotta trust my plan. I gotta let the trade happen. That's all. That's all I gotta do. I just gotta let the trade happen. I gotta let my plan happen. So yeah, guys, this is what I wanted to talk to you guys about. Hopefully, I add some sort of value to you guys. If you guys have any questions, any comments, please do so below. I would gladly appreciate whatever you guys have to say. It's welcome. I don't care. Positive, negative, I don't care. It's welcome. So, yeah, I'll see you guys on Monday. Let's see how Monday is. All right. Bye.